Hello, my name is Nargis Ishaq. I'm a mental wellness life coach, and I have amazing things to discuss. The messages come from my inner divine. I've determined as Allah universe. Universe represents all the faiths. Judaism, is Christianity, and I put Islam first because I grew up with that. But universe is all good. It's all love and kindness. So let's jump right in. For saints, there's only good. Bad good is a comparison match. Saints just don't do. A human is unaware of the negative energies they channel. It was only a small or big thought is the halter, stopper of positive occurrences. I can believe some of the weaknesses I had a while back reading my holy journal. My words are a guide. My words are a guide from your higher self. I would word that my messages came from Allah universe. Allah I grew up, as I said, with, and the universe is Christianity, Judaism, everything that is love oriented. The whole world needs to embody an aware state for healing to happen. An incredible transformation will arise when we learn to let go of our past. Stop worrying about what occurred or will occur. The peace is in the present. God, Allah, Buddha, universe will take care of the losses of the past. The future is questionable to discard or not, because at the moment, visualization of positive future occurrences is said to by society as a beneficial act. Relying solely on the divine for direction seems sufficient but restrictive. There are saints who welcomely let their higher self guide their steps. Just remember that secrecy is crucial. When I died and came back to life, people were jealous of my transformation at the hospital dental office. They destroyed in their own way my teeth. Allah universe will fix it. I learned my lesson. Discretion is the word to exert. Wars are the reason for many downfalls of the people. So this is a different topic. It seems targeted based on faith's rivalry. War has occurred based on various reasons: race, religion, skin color, ethnicity, and currently faith is the culprit, in my opinion, for most war expressions from Western society. In your heaven, there are no wars. Peace, only peace. So detachment from the news is crucial. Being up to date, I'm up to date with the news of the current occurrences, being up to date with current world news are a waste of time and harmony. If you want the law of attraction to be in your favor, then let go of your attention to rivalry-filled news. Awareness of peace and cooperation is realized by taking part as a volunteer in your community. Wasting your positive energy through the current news streams is detrimental more than beneficial. Like most of the time they're talking about, oh, she got murdered, he got killed, also he got murdered, and the political rivalries and the criticism towards the civil servants is present, and there's discussions that are more negative oriented than positive. So that's it. We're at 4 minutes and 19 seconds. So thank you for joining me, and we'll look forward to our next session together. You releasing my videos is appreciated, and I try to keep up to date with my videos every week. So far, it's going up, it's going well, and I have so much messages that I have to express and share that my higher self gave me when he was in my presence, and we used to talk all the time. But now that he's in silent mode, he's more he's observing me and my changes, and he will talk again someday, but right now there's a little bit of silence for his part. Um, okay, that's it. I wish you the best. Take care. Bye bye.